Hello and welcome to another lesson in the creation of our school management system. In our previous lesson, we ended up with how to design our teachers data entry user form. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to design our fees payment user form. Let's just dive right into it. Now, as you can see, this is what we ended up with in our previous lesson. So in this lesson, we're going to go ahead and check on how to design out of there. Let's just check on reset. Good, everything is gone. So I'm just testing it more and more and more. So reset, everything is gone. So that's how you type something and you don't like it, you can just always reset it and then you are good to go. You can close it from here as well. Good, perfect. So in here we're going to go ahead and design our fees payment user form as well. So as usual, on developer tab, let's go to Visual Basic, go to insert, and then another user form. Good. So here we can just adjust it. And then we are going to need probably, let's just go to the user form and check something there. The fees payment sheet and check something there. Yes. Okay, the number of columns is going to be probably 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good. So we have 13 columns. Take note of that. Now let's just minimize this and then go ahead and begin working on our form as usual. So by now, design of a form shouldn't be a problem. It should just be a walkover for you guys and all that. So good. 13. So we're going to have, first of all, let's just check on the, okay, let's forget about the caption. We'll do that later in the next video. Let's go ahead and begin adding our labels. We're going to need admission number, name, class, gender, and all that. So basically that is that. So let's check on that. So draw our first label. Okay, but before we go for the, let's go for the frame first. Frame. Draw the frame from here to this level. Good. To this. Let's just adjust this one to a bit. Good. This looks okay. Bring this one to the bottom a bit, bottom a bit, bottom a bit. Let's go to the next frame. That will take the database. Good. So inside this frame, let's have our list box in here. Our list box should be in here. So let's go for the list box here. Let's check it out. This is it. Our list box should be somewhere here. Let's increase the, okay, come in here. Good. So our list box here, our buttons can now also be here. Good. This is okay. Now let us go ahead and begin adding our labels. So go to the first label. Click on the label tab. Yes. Oh, sorry. What is going on here? Oh gosh, oh sorry. Label, gosh, they just type it. Yeah. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this row, 5 second row, and then the last one takes 3 to make it 30. Just checking the size, because the moment we release it, we're going to copy and paste to have the rest. So good. Control C to copy, Control V to paste as usual. So we have 1, Control C, Control V, 2, Control C, Control V, 3, Control C. So we'll just be doing that to have more of them, so that you can release them now and then arrange them appropriately to here. 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8 here, 9 here, 10 here, 11 here, 12 here. Drove it to paste, and finally we have the 13th one here. Good. Let's just go ahead and then adjust them a bit. Okay, but before we do that, let's just go ahead and change the labels first. So this we have admission number, sorry, ADM number. Here we should have name. Then here we should have class. And then here we should have gender. And then here we should have admission date. Here we should have fees. Here we should have installation 1. Here we should have installation 2. Here we should have installation 3. Here we should have installation 4. Here we should have receive. Here we should have balance. Here we should have status. Good. I think we are good to go. So let's just adjust them all on the okay. So this is your business as well. It's up to you on how I'm going to work out this to make sure it's perfectly done. I think this looks okay. So this as well, let's come back by once. This also looks okay. So let me just select this, select this. So after selecting the first one, press and hold Control on the keyboard and get the rest. So this is okay. So we can just move this one a bit to create more space here. So the interval should be the same list. Good. Let's get our text boxes up and running as well. We have the first one. And it shouldn't be too big. Okay, we can make it bigger, so it doesn't matter. Control C, Control V. We have the second one. Control C, Control V. The third one. Gender, we need the option button, but then you can see that the text boxes are a bit shorter. So why don't we select this and move it a bit? Or rather, you can just increase this, although it wouldn't be the same as others. Just trying to check on that. And then, oh gosh. I think this is okay. So you can go ahead and then adjust them to suit your needs. So that's that. So let's go for the gender. We have the option button here. We have the male. Control C, Control V to paste. We have the female here. Then this has taken a place of text box 4, so we don't need it. Copy, paste it. Copy, paste. This is text box 5. This is what we need here. Make sure text box 5 is what you place here. Check it out. That is it. Selected. That is the name. Click on this 4. We don't need this, so we delete this. Please, it's very important. Take note of that. Now we need text box 6, 7 to add this. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Text box 6 here. Let's see if you can adjust this thing to a bit. Six, Control C, Control V, 7. Eight. Control V, 9. 10. 11. 12. And the last one, 13. Good. I think we are done with that. Now let's just go ahead and add our command buttons here. We have the resets button here. So adjust this a bit. Adjust this a bit. Control C, Control V. We also have this here as well. Then we need one of this. Text box 14. Our search stuffs. Control-C, Control-V. I have search here. Control-C, Control-V. I have update here. I want to make sure that this and this spaces at the end, then here, okay, same. Good, I think it's okay. So let's just go ahead and edit this. Reset, we don't need add here. We can only update. You can then talk of close, and then talk of search. Finally, you can also talk of update. Good. I think we are done with all this perfectly. So let's just debug it and see how it looks like. Good. I think this looks awesome. So we would like to end this tutorial here, and then when we come back, we're going to format it appropriately with the right colors and whatever that is necessary. We do that as well. So until our next lesson, I say thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.